Hello everyone, I am Talisha and today it's 20 December 2024 and this is Nifty 50 weekly time frame, and I wanted to share my overall analysis with everyone. It's from 1990 and you would be wondering what these blue lines are, so just stick to the video, you will get to know it. So just give me 1 second. Yeah, it's from 1990 as I told you. So here it's 1990, you can see the market went up, and here it's 8 October 1990. From here, this point the market went down, and till here it was down from like 8 October, from 8 October till 28 Jan, like 3 to 4 months. Then from here the market went up, a bullish gain. Then from here again you can see after it's 1990, then it's 1992. From here again the market went down till 3 August 1992, the market was down. You can see this span of 2 years here, and as from here the market again went down because it was the 1992 sterling crisis, where it was like the currency crisis occurred in UK, which lasted till like 1 year, you can see, and it affected the market a little bit from the time span of September till April. So again after this the market again went up. From here after again see it's 1992, it's 1994, again after 2 years the market went down, and from here it was going up, but as you can see again the 1994 banking crisis occurred. It was the sudden drop in bond market prices across the world, which again lasted for like from here till here. You can see it was like 1.5 years. So as you can see, before any crisis the market goes up a little bit, and you would have seen that it's 1990, it's 1992, 1994 and 1996. As you can clearly see, like after every 2 years the market goes down. See, it should be going up, but as the crisis occurred the market went down. From here till here, and as the our 2 years span was going to come, so the market went up. It then after the market went up, you can see it was like a 2 year span, and this crisis 1996 third Taiwan started crisis, trade crisis, and this both occurred at the same time, so it went a lot bearish. You can see it happened in China, so it affected the market a little bit, and both were at same time, so it went down. And again after at this point the market again went up, but again you can see again a crisis occurred. It was the 1997 Asian financial crisis, which lasted from around 1997 till 1999. So it affected the market a lot. You can see from here till here it affected like 2 years, you can see. And then after this you can see it's 1996, and again after 2 years 1998, again before the crisis, before the market should go down, it went a little high, went up, gave a high, and then again went down. Now as it lasted till here, you can see from here to here, but in between this 2 year this came, so it again went up because of this, because it has to go down after this, so it went down. And then you can see after this it went up, it went a lot up. You can see before anyone, like before any before all years, it after a lot years it went a lot up. Then here also again the crisis and the 2 hours time frame both came at same time, so it went a lot down. You can see it was a lot bearish. Then it is because of the crisis, early 2022 recession, this was actually the collapse of dot-com bubble. It was downturn in United States economy, which impacted technology sector. So as you can see, from here till here it went. And there's one more thing to notice. As you would have seen, this is a support area. You can see it's a support area. So like from here, you can see here the market was down, then went up, again touches the support line, again went up, then again down, up, again went up, then again down, then again went up. And after this, exactly as it went up, and after, you can see before the crisis it actually showed that it will come here till here. It's a support region. So the charts can predict the future. Like you can see before the crisis it literally showed like till here it should have gone down, and after, exactly after this point, it went up. And as it was, this recession lasted a long, and it was very big, so it affected the market a lot. And after this, as a 2-year time came, so it went little high but was not able to cover the exact prices of the last high. So it went up, then again it went down. You can see it again went down from here till here. And then this early 2020 2000 recession, sorry, not 2020, it's early 2000 recession, it lasted from like till here, from 14 Feb till like here, like 3 years. You can see from 2000 till 28 April 2003. It was like for 3 years, and it affected the market a lot and went a lot bearish. And after this point, you can see, because a 2-year gap occurred, so as the market has to go up before any downfall, so because of a 2-year time frame it came, so it went a little high. And you can easily find that as it went high, a 2-year should come, so it went again down till here. And after the completion of this recession, the market went up. You can see it went a lot up. Then after this price, it again went down. And you can see here, like it took now, like it's March, it's August, it's like 2 to 3 months, 3 to 4 months, like. And after, you can see here it's also 2 to 3 months. Like the market falls for, like, it's in downtrend for like 3 to 4 months. But here it completed a lot early, like it's January and this is March, so like only just for 2-3 months. No, 2-3 months, yes. So it was not supposed to be like for only 2-3 months. So as you can see, it was because it lasted, because the 2004 economic crisis was going to come. You can see it was still here, and it went up because 2004 economic crisis. Before every crisis the market goes up, and in 2004 it was the economic crisis, which was again in US. So it lasted from like till from here to here. Didn't affect the market a lot, but affected little bit. You can see from here till here it went down, and again after this point it went up. Then after, you can see it went a lot up. It was an uptrend, and as it went a lot high. And then at this point again, you can see after 2004 2006, again after 2 years it went down. You can see at this point this got reversed, and again the market came up bullish. Then again an uptrend, and as you can see, the main 2008 global financial crisis, which everyone would have known, this crisis, and a 2-year gap after 2006 to 2008, a 2-year gap also came. So it was a lot, it affected the market a lot. And when you can see, my god, it was one of the highest downfall. You can see from here, like you can see the price from here, like 6,000, it went directly to 2,000. You can see like 2,000. It went a lot down. But as you can see, it's a support and resistance strategy. Here it's a support region, and from here it went till here. It recovered it in 2-year gap. Like it showed like till where chart shows what's gonna come next. you can even predict what's gonna come. You can see after this 2008. So as 2008 crisis affected the market a lot, so you can see here all downfall was happening in the starting 6 months. You can see it's Feb, then June, April, Feb, again March, and this all were happening in the starting of 6 months. But then as it affected the market a lot, so it went in November, and after it you can see again went down till here. And as it went up, because 2011 financial crisis was gonna come, so the market went up. And after when going up, 2011 crisis came, it's when the US and global stock market crashed. So this was from here like 25 April 2011 till December 2011 it went down. Then after this the market reversed as the crisis was finished and it went up. And here you can see it was 2010s, because 2008 this financial crisis took it a lot front and extended the date. It's like November 2010, so just take it as 2011, because just 1 to 2 months gap. And after 2011 you can see 2013. So here again the market went down, you can see. So it's showing that here both the crisis and a 2-year gap came together. So it was a big downfall. You can see it completed here. This was at the 2015 stock market sell-off. Here the Sensex crashed by 854 points. It was in India and lasted till 2016. You can see 2015 to 2016. It was a big downfall. And after this again the market went up, and it's 2016. It was 2015, 2016. Take it as it's March, and 2016 take it as 2 years because it's the end month. Then the market crashed and again went up, and from here again crashed as the 2-year gap came. It went down and again up, and it was going up. And as you can see, before any downfall the market goes up. You can see after the 2008 liquidity crash came, it affected corporate sector but didn't last it too long. You can see from here it's still here only, so it didn't last it too long, but it affected the corporate sector. And after this the market goes up, and as you can see, one of the biggest crash after 2008 was COVID-19. You can see in COVID the market went a lot down. You can see from here till here it was 12,400 till 7,000. Oh my god, it was a lot big. It was the biggest crash, one of the biggest crash. And after this the market went up, and this is the region the market is not exactly in downfall, but not exactly in downtrend, but a little in swing, because it was, you can see, it's the November December month. In this one actually the Indian market is mostly used by the foreign investors and controlled by foreign investors, and at this period like November to December they are on holidays, so the market is on like swings, so it was not good. And so you should be aware of it's a month you can be aware to trade properly, because the market can give many false breakout. And after it was 2022, again a crisis, again our 2 years downfall came, and from here till here it again went down. And from here you can see again the uptrend came, and now it's 2004. As you can see, today it's 20 December and it's now 23rd September. You can see from here again the market went down, and you can see it's going down. So from here it will help investors for their purposes, like if the market is in down, you can see if the market is here, the investors can enter, as they will know that this after 2 years this downfall will come, and after the downfall it will actually last for like 3 to 4 months, and after 3 to 4 months they can start to buy. And as as they start to buy the stocks, the market will go up, like it will, like you can see it's 15,000, and from 15,000 it's like 26,000. You can see it's a 2x return. So it's according to your capital, how much you invest. So it can grow a lot. Like you can see it's around 2x, and as you can see, they will stick to it till this 2024, like after 2 years, and they will know that after 2 years the market will go down. So even if they, like, it's the downfall started from here, so even if they like book their shares here, you can see it's 25,000, approximately 24 to 25,000. It will even be 2x, and they will even gain a more. So and even the intraday traders, like the day traders, they can also use it as the trend and follow the trend. Like you can see, if you know, they will know that after 2 years the market will go down, so they will not look for buy position, and after the completion of this time period, like 3 to 4 months, the market will be in bull run and it will go up. So you can see. So that's all. This was overall analysis from 1990. This concluded that after every 2 years, Nifty chart went down. Our Nifty market goes down after every 2 year span. And hope this will help you, and it helped to gain a lot. Thank you.